Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Photosynthesis can be tricky, but we are going to master the role of water in just 60 seconds. Let's break down this biology question together right now. In the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis, water molecules are split apart through a process called photolysis. This critical step releases oxygen gas, hydrogen ions, and most importantly, high-energy electrons. These electrons are donated to the electron transport chain to replace those lost by chlorophyll. This flow of electrons is what actually powers the production of ATP and NADPH molecules. While water also provides protons, it is not the only source for the gradient. Therefore, water acting as an electron donor makes option B the only scientifically accurate choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Watch signs and avoid the rush. Always trust the given facts and check your steps.